Hey y'all, Emmy here. I'm going to show you guys how to make a cute, quick arrangement for your tiered tray or the middle of your Easter table. Start with a small flower pot. This one is Ray Dunn and it came from Marshall's. I thought it was so cute and it says just hatched on the front. You'll need 3 white roses and 3 pink roses. I'm using fresh picked from Hobby Lobby. Start by using floral wire cutters and trim your stems to approximately an inch above the top of your pot. First add your white roses, put one on the right, one on the left, and one just kind of in the center, in the front. We're not using any foam here, so they will move around and that's okay. Next, add your pink flowers. Put one in the back in the center, one kind of on the right side, and then one on the front left side. Now my front flower was too tall, so I've swapped it with the one that was on the right because the stem's a little shorter rather than trimming it, but if your stem is too long, just go ahead and trim that a little shorter. Next, add 2 short pieces of lamb's ear into the center of your arrangement, one on the right and one on the left. Finish off your arrangement with a cute little carrot. You can pick these up at Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree and just put that right in the very center. This would be super cute in the middle of your Easter table, but I'm going to add mine to my tier tray. Want to see what it looks like? I just love how this turned out. Follow for more Easter tray decor ideas. If you want to see how the rest of my tier tray turned out, make sure to follow.